Small garden ideas to make the most of a tiny space. 1. Paint walls white. Think of your exterior like you would an interior. White paint is often used to make the most of a small space because of its brightening and lightening properties, and gardens can benefit from this trick, too. With white painted brickwork and white garden furniture, this is a beautifully summery scheme that has serious style. 2. Plant a lush garden with pots. You don't need a lawn to create a lush garden, and flower beds aren't necessary either. A low-maintenance flooring option such as gravel is great for small gardens. Add lots of pots, filled with everything from the tiniest flowering plants to tall and bushy trees. Finish off with some garden furniture and you'll have the perfect spot to enjoy a summer's day. 3. Trail plants up a fence. Make use of a fence to add color and greenery. Climbing plants and trellises are a great solution for small gardens, as they lift flowers and foliage up off the ground. A pretty fence will do a lot to detract attention from a teeny plot. After all, if you or your visitors are focusing on beautiful roses or a hot pink trellis, who's going to notice a garden's dimensions? 4. Brighten up with colorful furniture. Even the tiniest terrace can be transformed into something exceptional. Here, it's the garden furniture paint that makes the space special. Take note, your seating colors don't have to match. Bright hues like the orange and pink here go really well together, and an aqua bench it would work brilliantly, too, as you can see from the accessories. 5. Plan a multitasking garden. If space is tight, make sure that what you have is working hard for you. This well-planned garden has a raised flower bed, garden wall and garden seat all rolled into one. Greenery provides shade, privacy and interest up high, while the wall offers a handy ledge for lanterns, plus practical built-in seating. Cushions bring the comfort of indoor living outside and add a lovely hit of color. 6. Mix your media. Make a small space attractive and ensure a crisp contemporary look with strong landscape lines. Create interesting interlocking zones with distinctive materials, such as wood-stained decking, pale patio slabs and decorative stones or chippings. Then plant up to let lush foliage burst through, filling the space with structural greenery for a controlled finish that's easy to maintain. 7. Simplify with symmetry. Be inspired by formal gardens to bring organization to a small space. Design a classic layout with a central lawn and symmetrical borders for a garden that feels elegant and formal, spacious and organized. Use planting to draw the eye to a central element, such as the brick porthole window shown here. Line brick paths with classic lavender and the pink and purple spires of foxglove. Here, trained plane trees and lollipop standards add the final flourish.